In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install Norton 360 on your iOS device. Whether you're protecting personal data or securing your family's device, Norton 360 offers comprehensive antivirus and anti-malware protection. So, let's get started on getting it set up seamlessly on your iOS device. First, open your browser and navigate to the official Norton website. It's crucial to ensure you're on the official site to avoid any phishing scams or false software. Once there, look for My Account at the top right of the homepage and give it a click. This will take you to the area where you can manage your subscriptions and get access to the Norton products. Next, on the account page, you'll find the Sign In option. If you already have a Norton account, enter your login credentials here. If not, take a quick moment to create an account by following the on-screen instructions. This account setup will let you manage your subscriptions and help Norton track your installations, so it's quite handy. Once logged in, you'll want to head over to what Norton refers to as the home for your subscriptions, the Norton homepage. There, you'll find all relevant information about your Norton products. Moving along, click on My Subscription. This will lead you to a page where details of your active Norton subscriptions are displayed. Here, you'll see the Norton 360 option available for download. This page offers a comprehensive outlook on the services you're subscribed to, providing an easy way to keep track or adjust your subscription if needed. Now, locate the Download button. Clicking on this will initiate the process to get Norton 360 onto your device. Keep an eye out for any prompts regarding download permissions. Sometimes iOS devices prompt a verification step for security reasons. Once the download is complete, you'll then click on Install on a new device. This option is quite intuitive and will guide you through the process. Your device might ask for confirmation to trust the installer and proceed with installation. Confirm these prompts to ensure the process continues smoothly. After this point, the Norton interface is fully integrated into your device. You should see verification messages confirming the app installation. Take a moment to open the Norton app. Log in with the same account details you used earlier, and you're all set. The app might take a moment to set things up on its end and ensure all protective services are activated. And there you have it. Norton 360 is installed and ready to safeguard your iOS device. Feel free to explore the app and configure settings to tailor the protection based on your preferences. Thanks for following along, and enjoy the peace of mind that comes with Norton's robust security features.